Very, very private. And thank you for coming to the show. I know it takes a lot. I mean, for somebody very private. Pero ang asawa mo ay artista, siya ay politiko. You know, how do you manage that?
Wala akong choice.
And because wala kang choice,
Wala akong choice. So kung support lang ako sa asawa ko.
nandiyan ka lang.
Nandiyan lang
Ikaw,
ako.
Alfred, how do you protect your children, your family, from the invasion, ika nga, when we talk about privacy?
Alam mo, Tito Boy, daig ko pa ang tumama ng 10 beses sa loto sa misis ko.
Oh,
Kasi, talagang God blessed me with a very good wife. Very
Right.
sincere and very supportive wife na napaka-understanding sa akin. From showbiz to public
politics,
service.
public service.
Now I'm very happy kasi she's the one who's raising my children. Na nakikita ko, they're all growing up to be very fine young ladies and good young gentlemen.
Yeah.
Oo.
Wow. Okay.
So, na talaga, kumbaga, kung ako yung haligi ng tahanan, ilaw talaga siya. And to answer your question, Tito Boy, sa bahay wala na akong inaalala. Kasi she's taking care of everything.
I understand.